Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing a reputable Chrome Auto Clicker extension and granting only the permissions it needs. Make sure it can access the tab you plan to automate. Once installed, pin the extension for quick access and open the target page. Next, choose the click type, left, right, or double, and set a starting interval in milliseconds. Shorter intervals click faster but risk detection. Finally, select Single Tab mode if you only need one page automated, and save this initial profile. Once the extension is active, pick how you will target actions. Use the CSS element selector for robust clicks or X/Y coordinates for fixed positions. Then create your sequence, add a click action, insert delays between actions, and set a repeat count or continuous loop. Make sure to add slight randomization to delays so timing looks natural. This reduces false positives. Also combine optional actions like scroll or move before clicking. Test the sequence at low speed. You are ready to run the automation. Start with a short test run and watch closely for 10 to 30 seconds to confirm clicks hit intended elements. Make adjustments if you see missed targets, use highlight mode or a visual log to verify each click. Once stable, run the full routine but keep the window visible in single tab mode. If clicks fail or targets shift, stop, edit selectors, and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if behavior breaks unexpectedly, clear cache and reload the page before rerunning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.